Did you know your liver silently works 24/7, filtering blood, removing toxins, and keeping your energy flowing strong? Most people don't realize their liver is the body's ultimate defender, protecting them from dangerous poisons they meet every single day. But here's the shocking truth. Over 1 billion people worldwide suffer from some kind of liver problem without even knowing it. And many times, these problems only show up when it's almost too late to fix. So today, I'm going to reveal the top 5 foods that support liver health naturally, foods you can easily eat daily. These aren't strange herbs or expensive supplements. They're simple, everyday foods with extraordinary healing powers. Stay with me, because number 5 is a surprising food you probably ignored, yet it can transform your liver health. So let's dive deep, because protecting your liver might just mean protecting your entire life. 1. Leafy greens, the natural detox powerhouse. When you think of leafy greens, you probably picture spinach, kale, or arugula sitting quietly in your fridge drawer. But what you might not know is that these humble greens are nature's most powerful shield against toxic buildup in the liver. They're loaded with chlorophyll, which works like a sponge, pulling heavy metals, pesticides, and harmful chemicals out of your bloodstream. Studies show that people who eat leafy greens regularly lower their risk of fatty liver disease, a growing global health crisis. Your liver already works hard, but leafy greens act like a trusted assistant, taking away stress and making detoxification easier. And here's the best part, they're incredibly versatile, fitting into smoothies, soups, stir-fries, or even as a crunchy salad topping. Now, imagine your liver thanking you with better energy, clearer skin, and stronger immunity, all from a handful of greens. But what if there's a food even more powerful than leafy greens at flushing toxins away? Let's uncover it next. 2. Citrus fruits, nature's vitamin C boost for the liver. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits aren't just refreshing, they're a natural cleansing tool for your hard-working liver. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, they help the liver turn toxic substances into water-soluble compounds, making removal effortless. 1 glass of warm lemon water in the morning has been shown to wake up liver enzymes within just 30 minutes. And here's something surprising. Grapefruit contains arginine, a compound proven to reduce inflammation and protect liver cells from damage. This means a simple slice of fruit could actually stop long-term scarring and serious liver conditions from developing later in life. Beyond detox, citrus fruits boost bile production, which plays a huge role in digestion and fat metabolism inside your body. Plus, they're delicious, inexpensive, and easy to enjoy daily, whether juiced, sliced, or even added to fresh salads or teas. But there's another food coming up that's even richer in protective antioxidants, one that shields the liver like armor. Before I share the final recap, I want to hear from you. Have you noticed changes in your energy, skin, or digestion when you eat these liver-friendly foods? Comment below. And if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Your support helps me create more powerful health content that might change your life, or even save someone you love. 3. Coffee, the unexpected liver savior. Now, this might surprise you. Coffee, often blamed for poor sleep or jitters, is actually a lifesaver for your liver. Research shows that people who drink 2 to 3 cups of coffee daily lower their risk of liver disease by nearly 40%. Coffee is filled with powerful compounds that reduce liver inflammation, slow scar tissue buildup, and even lower cancer risks. One study found that regular coffee drinkers were far less likely to develop cirrhosis, a dangerous and often deadly liver condition. It's almost like coffee tells your liver, "Don't worry, I've got your back," shielding it from silent, long-term damage. And here's the kicker. Decaf coffee also provides benefits, proving it's the compounds, not just the caffeine, that do the magic. So, your daily morning ritual might actually be extending your liver's health span without you even realizing the connection. But while coffee protects, the next food doesn't just protect, it repairs. Let's look at one of nature's strongest healers. 4. Cruciferous vegetables, the liver's repair kit. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. These might be foods you avoided as a kid, but your liver absolutely loves them. They're packed with sulfur compounds that trigger liver detox enzymes, pushing toxins out faster and protecting delicate liver tissues. One groundbreaking study showed that people who ate broccoli regularly had improved liver enzyme levels and reduced fatty liver risk. These vegetables are also high in fiber, which helps sweep away waste products, preventing harmful toxins from circling back into the liver. And here's the fascinating part. Cruciferous vegetables contain compounds that actually repair DNA damage in liver cells over time. It's almost like they give your liver a toolkit, filled with hammers and nails, to rebuild itself stronger than before. Yes, they might not always be the tastiest food on the plate, but roasting them brings out sweetness many never expect. But wait, our final food isn't just about repair, it's about long-lasting strength, a secret superfood for lifelong liver protection. 5. Nuts, the tiny shields of liver health. When you think of nuts like almonds, walnuts, or pistachios, you might just see them as a crunchy snack. But to your liver, they're tiny shields packed with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds. Research proves that people who eat nuts daily have lower liver fat levels and better overall liver function. Walnuts, in particular, contain amino acids that help the liver process ammonia, a toxic byproduct that can overwhelm liver health. Even a small handful of nuts can protect against oxidative stress, which is a leading cause of chronic liver conditions. And here's an emotional truth. So many people reach old age never realizing that simple foods like nuts could save them. Imagine giving your liver a daily coat of armor, ensuring it fights off decades of hidden damage without you noticing. But this is just the start. What if you combine nuts with leafy greens, citrus, coffee, and cruciferous vegetables together? Summary. So let's recap quickly. Leafy greens help detox heavy metals. Citrus fruits boost cleansing enzymes. Coffee protects from scarring. Cruciferous vegetables act like a repair kit. And nuts give your liver a shield of long-term protection every single day. Your liver is working tirelessly even as you sit here watching this. It never takes a break, not even for 1 second. But it needs your help, and the help is simple. Choose these foods daily, and your liver will reward you with health. Don't wait until symptoms show up, because by then, liver disease is often already advanced and difficult to reverse. Protect your liver now, and you're protecting your energy, your digestion, your immunity, and even your lifespan. And if you want to keep diving deeper into natural health, check out my next video on foods that cleanse your lungs naturally. Because remember, when one organ thrives, the whole body thrives, and your health is too precious to gamble with.